How often do you use a computer? I use the computer every day because in this era there's no day without using a computer. Basically, either you work, you play, you watch videos, you watch Netflix. Everything is literally using computer because even your TV is now a computer because it's a smart TV. Basically, it's also a computer now. So basically, it's it's basically every day you use a computer. What do you use a computer for? For me, I use the computer usually to discuss with my friends, basically the friends in my circle, which likes the same hobby as me, and also for work and for playing games and watching toy reviews. Hmm. What kind of computer would you like to have? Hmm. What kind of computer that I would love to have? Basically, I love a computer that has a high tech on it. Like for example, a computer that has RTX 2080 Super is great, but it also needs to have at least 32 gigs of RAM or 64 gigs of RAM with at for at least a 10 terabyte SSD or or at the very minimal or a 10 terabyte HDD. Basically, SSD and HDD works differently. For example, if you want to see it from a laptop's perspective, it, it is based on this on this product guide that I got from a mall. It's basically it's basically the the ROG mothership GZ700GX with a price of 131 million Indonesian rupiah. With the processor of Intel Core i9 ninth generation 9980HK with the OS of Windows 10 Home with the graphic cards of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 8 GB GDDR6 with a screen of 17.3-inch ultra high definition 3880 times 2160 px 6 GHz 6.0 GHz with a memory of 64 gigabytes DDR for 2666 megahertz. That's the RAM, and with the storage of 512 gigabytes PCIe G3 times 4 NVMe M2 SSD times 3, and basically it's like that. And if you want to know what the mothership is, I could show you based on the catalog. In the catalog, it's around here. This is the ROG mothership. Basically, it's a really good computer for both gaming and work. With basically you could edit videos without any lag, and it has enough memory, and it also has enough space to save all of your needed stuff, and also it has a detachable keyboard and also RGB. 4. What is your favorite computer game? My favorite computer game is OS, which relies on how fast that your fingers move. OS, OSU exclamation mark. That is a rhythm game. And the other game that I love is World War ships. Basically, you will use World War II ships and fight with other players around the world, depending on what server you play. And also, one of my other favorite games It's Gundam Breaker 3 Break Edition. It's not a computer game per se, but it is a console game. It's what console it is the play PS3 or PS4. And also the last game that I could recommend is a gacha game. The name is Azure Lane. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button if you enjoy this random video and subscribe if you want to.